My name is Mitchel Sellers. I'm the CEO of IowaComputerGurus. We're a software development company, and I'm responsible for all of our overall strategic decisions and partnerships and tool choices. We accept support tickets via email, and that email is all over the internet. So we get a fair bit of spam. And we had switched to a different solution that's touted that they can handle spam. The reality is they couldn't handle spam, and it crippled our help desk. It made it almost impossible for us to be able to respond. So we were really looking for a solution that would get us back to where we needed to be, allow us to still bring in support tickets via email, but to be able to take those spammy type things and let them be managed efficiently. So that we could get back to doing what we needed to do, which was support our customers. It really was something where you had to find a product that had that feature built in, or the understanding of it's not just how easy it is for the person to submit the support ticket. You also had to have the support people to be able to respond to the ticket in a similar manner. These settings allow us to kind of control who comes in and out. Getting them into the spam bucket, works out really well, but then we can manage that spam bucket really quickly and efficiently with the ability to select multiple items, delete them, promote them back out. It takes us maybe a minute a week to manage those spam submissions when we were spending hours a day on our prior solution. Very positive experience. I think the best thing that we have with the ticketing system is the fact that it just works and we don't have to maintain it. We don't have to do a bunch of work. Other things for us that have been really nice is the concept of contact groups and the ease of permissions management there, where our customers want to be able to see all of the tickets for anybody within their org and those kinds of things. All very, very easy processes for us to manage. And really just managing the overall SLA. We don't have a really complicated SLA, but just being able to do things like pausing the SLA when we're waiting for something so that we can try to really focus in those reports on, did we meet our expectation, is really handy, and definitely something a little bit better class than what we've seen in other products. Our day-to-day tasks take less time to accomplish, and the amount of data that we're able to track because of how quick and efficient the systems are, we're able to store more information with more accuracy in those tickets so that when we need to go reference them in the future, we have more context. And so the biggest difference is the use of public and private commentary on tickets as well. If we implement custom changes or special changes for customers, we're able to use a public reply to let them know, hey, this is resolved. The private reply that we can do in an extra couple of seconds of effort, we can immortalize exactly what was changed to support that. So we have a much better paper trail along the way. So we're more efficient and more detailed in what we have. In general, I would say that we are handling more tickets than we've ever handled before with less time. And a lot of that's just to the efficiency of operation and the views. We don't have to go hunting around in the system for things. Almost everything that we need on a day-to-day basis is no more than 2 or 3 clicks away. Whether we're responding to tickets, looking at the backlog of items, things that need to be followed up, or even running reports, we're all so quick and easy to get access to it that we just don't spend the time that we used to on support. The initial problem was solved within the first 10 minutes of using it and continues to go better and better. Every time we get that new notification that says, hey, there's a new feature that's been released, that's typically been something that benefits us. Biggest future plans right now is, as we are building up a few of our products, we're going to use some of the other features a little bit more. And so we're actually looking at ways to kind of help share a little bit more of how we manage our day-to-day, especially with some of the spam and otherwise, because it's so unique. We've had support at IowaComputerGurus.com has been published on the internet for just shy of 20 years. And so the amount of spam we get is mind-numbing, and just cripples other systems. And so being able to kind of share how we've managed some of that process to be efficient, I think will help a lot of others as well. the ability to get updates, and then if something does happen or if you have a question, be able to get a response. That experience is exactly here with BoldDesk as well. The couple of times that I had questions of, hey, how do I do this? What's this config setting do? I'm completely lost. The responses that we get back are human, detailed, and they have what you're looking for when you send it in. And that, on top of the tool being able to do its job, is one of the most invaluable pieces of any tool that you may use for your business.